Which is the Nortel secure router traffic management method used for the highest priority traffic, i.e., voice, video, etc.? Option A. Low latency queuing, LLQ. Option B. Class-based queuing, CBQ. Option C. Weighted fair queuing, WFQ. Option D. Bandwidth management, BWM. The correct answer is option B. Which of the series Nortel secure routers are available with a backup ISDN port? Choose 2. Option A. 1001. Option B. 1002. Option C. 1001S. Option D. 1004. The correct answer is option A, C. What factor affects the number of COS classes you can create? Option A. Router licensing level. Option B. Bandwidth on each T1. Option C. Number of WAN bundles. Option D. Total bandwidth available. The correct answer is option D. Which command delivered from sr/configure/interface/bundle/WAN/COS/class n will remove VLA from a traffic class? What happens during packet classification? Choose 2. Option A. del_VLAN 100. Option B. No VLAN_I.D. 100. Option C. rem_VLAN_I.D. 100. Option D. delete_VLAN_I.D. 100. Option A. Traffic is queued at the interface. Option B. Traffic is marked at the interface. Option C. Traffic is split into different classes. Option D. Traffic is identified based on your config. The correct answer is option C, D,